Hello guys, I am going to show you how to make someone a manager of your YouTube channel on mobile. Let's start the video. First download YouTube Studio in App Store or Play Store. After it's installed, open it. Then you must log into your account. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Tap on Settings. Tap on Permissions. Tap on Invite. Type their email address. Example, I am going to use my friend's email address. Select Manager. Tap Send Invitation. Tap Send. And they will get an email from YouTube that you invited them to become a manager of your YouTube channel. Here's an example of my friend sending an invitation to become a manager of his channel. They must scroll down and tap Accept Invitation. And that's it. Warning, here's what they can do in your channel. And here's what they can't do in your channel. If this video is helpful, please like, comment and subscribe for more tutorial tips, and bye guys.